In Central California, Brian Madero spends his days helping to look after the cows on his family's dairy farm. With 2,500 cows, care of the animals is a top priority, and producing high-quality milk is the main goal. However, Brian realizes he's more than a dairy farmer. He's also a beef producer.
So the beef sector is important to the dairy industry because our cows eventually will end up in the beef supply. Our cows, we love the fact that we can make milk with them, but they also have a dual purpose in providing nutrition for consumers in the beef sector as well.
In fact, Brian serves as a director of the California Beef Council. So he's seen firsthand the impact of beef checkoff-funded consumer promotion programs aimed at growing beef demand.
As a producer, sometimes you think, well, I don't see the beef it's what's for dinner commercial anymore, or I don't see anything on TV. Why not? Because the consumers we're reaching today aren't on TV, aren't watching commercials. They're online, they're on social media, and they're looking for those messages in those different channels.
With a new promotion strategy, Brian says the beef checkoff has focused on reaching younger consumers, known as millennials, with information about beef delivered where they're most likely to see it.
So one real good thing that we can see is in 2015, we're able to drive 2.2 million people directly to our beefitswhatsfordinner.com website, which to us is a great success moving forward.
From providing nutrition information to eye-catching recipes to facts about how beef is produced, Brian says he believes beef checkoff programs are making an impact.
As a producer, from time to time, we wonder whether or not our dollar is effective. And one thing that I can say is it's definitely helping to grow that demand for beef and to ensure that consumers see where beef comes from and what we're doing to give them the best product that we can.
In California, I'm Sharon Alseth reporting.